All right, let's take this bumper off. Now it looks like there's two bolts, and it looks like the bolt goes through then and the nut's on the inside. So a little bit hard to see the nut, but I think I should be able to get the socket on it. Get that off. Might not take that nut all the way out in case the bumper falls off. So we'll do this side. Not much holds it on, unfortunately, but it seems to be coming off okay. The old bumper's seen better days here. Okay, so it looks like there's a big fat washer on the back, and that is the only thing that holds that rear bumper on the one side. So we'll take this one out as well. Same on that side. And now this should just come off like that. And there's the two bolts. And that is all that offers protection.
Not much.
And these two mounts.
Jesus.
Looks like they just sit on that panel. Looks like it's had a little bit of water get behind that. That's it. That's the removal of the rear bumper.